If you've ever said, I can't spend another penny on ads until something actually works, I hear you. Spending money just to be ghosted feels like lighting cash on fire. Now, it's possible you've got the lead magnet, you've got the automations already set up, and you're even doing that follow-up manually, but no one's responding, and then you're watching all that ad spend going out, and it's adding up with nothing to show for it. Hello, I'm Tina, and I am the founder of Sandford Video Ads. Now, I've been working with coaches and service providers since 2020 to actually help fix that disconnect, the real one between leads and book calls. And not by getting people to spend more, but by getting smarter about how you show up. Now, here's what most people don't seem to realise. It's not that your follow-up is broken, it's the context in which that lead was created in the first place. Because when someone actually opts in for a free download, they then think that transaction is done. They weren't thinking, and they weren't expecting another conversation. So what happens when you follow up? To them, it feels like a cold pitch, even though you paid to get them in through your door. Now, what we changed for my client Rhonda wasn't her offer, it wasn't even her freebie. It was actually how she delivered it. And that alone turned 500 odd of her dead leads into daily messenger conversations. And she closed a high ticket offer in less than a week. We actually rewrote her lead magnet hook into just one simple sentence. Basically, this free checklist will help you book your next 5 calls in 7 days. Want it? And then we post it as a static image and a quick reel. And in the end, she simply said, drop a comment if you want it. Then all we needed to do was run it as a £5 a day engagement ad. Then when someone commented, Rhonda replied to them in Messenger and personally then shared that freebie with them. There was no landing page, no opt-in, just a real-time conversation with a real person who had asked from what it was she was offering, okay? And from just that one shift, Rhonda had a load of conversations with really cool people. She signed loads of new members into her program, and without having to have a single phone call. She even pre-sold someone into next year's high ticket offer from a messenger conversation that just started from that comment. So this isn't about gambling more money on ads. It's actually about making every single pound count. Because you'll find when you stop sending people away to a form and then you start having them come to you for your freebie, what happens is you're going to skip that kind of silence, you skip that ghosting, and you skip wasting time on leads who are never ready to talk to you anyway. Now, if you want to try this up yourself, I can send you that same sentence that we used with Rhonda. So if you want that, come on fast, and I will send you that, and the exact ad script actually, plus the convo flow that makes starting those messenger chats natural and not salesy. You don't actually need to spend more to make more. You just need a better way of turning interest into action, and it does start with just one sentence and a comment.